sharing with you the secret setting that will trigger the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos like this to your own kind of audience. Have you ever wondered that immediately you finish watching a video, similar video pop out of your screen suggesting it to you? Now, that is called YouTube suggested videos. It is YouTube itself that is suggesting that video to you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple setting that will trigger the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to your own kind of audience. Now, if YouTube is not suggesting your videos like this, my dear, you will not get that views and visibility that you're praying for. Now, that brings me to the last tip that I'm going to be sharing with you towards the end of this video. So don't miss any part of this video, because every part of this video is very, very, very important. All right. Now, when you finish watching my video, a similar video will pop out at the end of the video. So just take note of that. That means that particular YouTuber has turned on this place I'm about to share with you. So if this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, hello, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to share updates on how to grow on YouTube. That is, I share tips and hacks on how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours from now till February 1st to get your channel monetized here on YouTube. All right. So if these are the videos that you like to watch, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more tips. All right. Also, turn on your bell notifications so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the very first to get notified that I've posted a new video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go over to your Chrome browser. Once you are there, type studio.youtube.com. All right. Once you type studio.youtube.com, they are going to take you to an interface like this. All you need to do is to click on Continue to Studio. Once you click on Continue to Studio, they are going to take you to your YouTube Studio dashboard like this. All right. So once you are here, go ahead and click on this three bar that is there. Then click on the content. Now, I am going to be sharing with you how you can turn on this place. All right. Now, for example, if you want to upload a video, you click on that plus button. Yeah. So once you click on that plus button, they're going to take you to your gallery. So once you bring in the video that you want to upload, take note of this place I'm about to share with you. Turn on this place before you upload your video every single time. All right. So click on this three line that you're seeing at the top left corner of your screen. Yeah. Once you click it, click on content. Okay. Now I'm saying you should click on that place for more visibility of what is written there. Once you click on it, you see content, you see on the rest of the thing. Just go ahead and click on content. Okay. Once you click on content, now I'm going to be clicking one of my video that I have uploaded already on my channel. Do you get? Now, as you can see this video, okay, let us use this video as an example. I'm going to click on the video. Now, once you click on the video, just scroll down, okay? Come down, keep coming down. Yeah, this is the place we are talking about. You see this place that they wrote tags. Now, the people you tag and the tags you put on this place is very, very important. Now, do you see the tags I put here? If you notice now, there are people's name here. As you can see, Creative Blessing is here. As you can see, Daily Tips with Bookie is here. Those are the people in my niche that are doing very well. All right. So now, you as a beginner YouTuber, go and look for a creator that you know that is doing very well on your niche. Write down 3 or 5 creators' names so that anytime you're uploading a video, you will include them on this particular place after adding in your tags. Like, for example, me that is a YouTube coach now, I'm going to add tags like Grow with Grace Ahmad. That is my first tag. That is my first tag on this place. All right. After that, I'm going to add in 4,000, get a 4,000 watch hours, YouTube strategy, 1,000 subscribers, YouTube growth tips, and the rest of them. So once you are done adding all those things, make sure you add in the people's name that are in your niche. That is the trick. Okay. So now the essence of doing this is because you've already told YouTube that if people are searching, because YouTube is working with these tags, all right. So if people search their channel now to watch their videos, after they might have finished watching their videos, your videos too will pump out. Do you understand? After they might have finished watching their video, your video too will pump out. All right. So make sure you are adding people in your niche that are doing very well on this place, so that YouTube can also recommend your videos to their own kind of audience. And that brings me to the second part of what I was talking about. Now, the last trick I'm going to be sharing with you is that you must make good thumbnails. All right. Now, if your video now, or if YouTube suggests your video to these people, If after watching their video and they saw your thumbnail, will they be able to click on your thumbnail and watch? So this brings me to this point that you must make good and high catchy thumbnail. If you don't know how to create thumbnail, check this my video. I've already given a detailed way on how you can create thumbnail from beginning to the ending, all right, that can captivate or capture people's eye or attention to click on your video. As you can see, my thumbnail has improved. I'm not perfect, but I'm still learning. I'm still open to learn more. All right, so as you can see, my thumbnails are doing great. If you see my thumbnail, you would like to click on it. All right, so make sure you have catchy thumbnail so that once YouTube suggests this your video to people that are on your niche, so you must make good thumbnail so that once they finish watching their videos, once your own pump out, once YouTube suggests your videos to them, they will be triggered to, click your own thumbnail to watch your own video. Now, that brings me to the last part, which is like an extra tip. Your intro must be good. When you are making a video or when you want to start a video, go straight to the point. Don't keep people waiting, all right? Don't beat about the bush or how did they even put that parable. Do you understand? Just go straight to the point. As you can see, when I started my video, I did not tell you my life history. I just went straight to the point. Do you understand? So your intros must be straightforward. Do you understand? I'm not saying that when you start a video, just go straight to the point, whereby you need to tell them how to do that. No, just make a very catchy and good, just make a very good and catchy intro that will make them stay in your video. Some people does not like, wasting their time on intros though, but some people, it is majority of people, like let me say 70% of people love that intro. It is the intro of your video that will make them stay glued to your video. Do you understand? After the intro, they will just forward the video to the end to see the content of your video. Do you understand? So we've come to the end of this video. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share your opinion at the comment section. Have you tried it before? How did it go? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.